So dear friends, today in this video I'm going to show you how to check your Dunkin's gift card balance. So let's get started. First of all, you need to search on any browser like gift card balance Dunkin's, and once you get the result you need to click on first one result. And once you click on first one result, you need to enter your card number, your PIN number, and just simply enter your you need to click on submit, and where you will get your card number and PIN number. You just need to flip out your card and you can see back side of your card you will see your PIN number and card number, and PIN number you need to scratch this area, you will get your PIN number, and this is your card number as shown in this picture on Google. Okay, so once you get the details, you need to click and you need to enter your card number and PIN number, and just simply click on submit. And once you click on submit, you will see your balance very easily. So this is the way by which you can easily check your gift card balance of Dunkin's. So if you have any questions, you can make a comment. I will reply very soon, and thanks for watching this video. Bye bye.